Welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. My name is Dylan. Today we have Stout Fest. Heavy metal, Metallica, boom, boom, boom. We're going to be using our craft purees. They're super concentrated, filtered, and shelf stable. For Stout Fest, we have 3 great craft purees. We're going to be using our vanilla bean, our raspberry, and our espresso. Last but not least, for those of you who prefer something a little bit lighter, a little bit less rich, we'll be using our cranberry craft puree in a blonde. Let's get started. First up is our vanilla bean craft puree. 1 strong pump into an empty glass, followed by 12 fluid ounces of beer. It's just that easy. This vanilla bean craft puree is loaded with real vanilla. You can actually see the specks on the head of the beer and also at the bottom of the glass once you're done. Delicate vanilla flavor profiles match the richness of the stout. Delicious. Next stop on the Stout Fest train is a raspberry craft puree. 1 strong pump of our raspberry craft puree with 12 fluid ounces of stout poured on top. I like to call this dessert in a glass. It's like a chocolate-covered raspberry. You get the nice, tart, delicate notes of the raspberry itself, which really complement the chocolatey characters of the stout. And you actually get a little bit of pink on the head from the raspberry. Dessert in a glass. Cool. Last but not least, for Stout Fest, we have one of my personal favorites, the Espresso Craft Puree. 1 strong pump, again followed by 12 fluid ounces of your favorite stout. These flavor profiles match up, I guess you could say, almost the easiest. Stouts tend to already have a nice roasted coffee flavor profile to them. The espresso kind of accentuates that. Get a nice espresso boosted head. You can see it almost on the froth, and you can really pick up the aroma in the nose. This one would almost work for breakfast. Don't use that. That does it for our Stout Fest. Next we have a Cranberry Blonde for those of you who prefer a lighter beer. 1 strong pump of our cranberry craft puree, followed by 12 fluid ounces of a nice mellow blonde. With that color change, you get a nice ruby red color, and it also colors the head. Some really nice pink lacing on top of the beer. Cranberry craft puree is packed with cranberries, flavor, aroma, color. It all comes together in a delicious blonde. Delicious. Our craft purees are available online at Amoretti.com. You can order them in the 750 milliliter bottles, 9-pound jug, and 55-pound buckets. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy holidays. Cheers.